Morning guys, it's me Brandy and I'm going to play for the first time with my Juvias Place Wahala 2 palette, and I've already done my base makeup. Just use Anastasia blush, of course my Almost Gone Elf concealer, and my Tarte contour book. So literally it's like I haven't used very much at all. I don't really know what to do. I feel like I want to play with these teals and greens. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Gonna play with those teals and greens and we'll see what I can come up with. It's not gonna be anything crazy. I'm not trying to like break any crazy look laws, but I'm gonna first start with this middle green, and that is called Lust. And I think I'm going to use this blue. It's called Wicked, and then it's like a periwinkle blue kind of. Use that next to the green. I'm gonna go back into the green. I feel like it is packing on really well and blending out. I'm gonna go back into Wicked. So now, those are like really the lightest colorful shades in the palette. So I think I'm gonna go into this one here called Lit. I'm just gonna tap into it just a little bit and kind of blend out those edges. There's really not a lighter matte. And I'm gonna go back into Wicked and kind of just intensify that color. I know I'm probably using the wrong brush for that, but it's too late. And then I'm back into Lust, a beautiful green. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other eye. I will come back for the lid. Okay, so next I'm going to use this shade right here, and it is called Money. I'm gonna put that sprayed. Ooh, I should probably use glitter glue. Okay, so I glitter glued that, and then I use that shade Money. I'm going to put that over the glitter glue on the outside of my balls. My eyeballs, that is. And I'm just patting it to kind of let it travel. I just want to let it travel up a little bit. I need to start using glitter glue way more often. Alright, now I'm going to use glitter. Well, I used glitter glue already. And then I'm going to use this one here. And that is called Amiibo. I'm going to spray it. And that is going to go on the inner part of this crease here. Or this, what do you call this? This eyelid. The inner part of my eyelid / eyeball. Over top of that glitter glue. That is very pretty. Alright, so I have been doing something new. As you guys know, with my makeup, and I'm gonna go into this one here, and it's just like a white. It's called Fame, and I am gonna tap that above onto that matte white blue. I'm just trying to make this shimmer moment travel up a little bit, because I am not afraid of glitter in my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to use I'm gonna do the other eye. Alright, so I got a little tiny bit of fallout since I did not spray that white shade Fame. It's my own fault. Alright, so now I am going to go into what do I want to go into? I think I'm going to go into Lust first on the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom as I did on the top. Good. Put that on my lower lash. What you say? Okay, so I went ahead and did that white shade Fame on my inner corner, and I put some green and blue in my waterline. I think I'm gonna go into Money I think I'm gonna put that on top of that shade on the bottom. I'm gonna do it on the other side. Which we put on the inner corner, or the inner lid, over that blue, and I'm gonna put it over underneath. Alright, so that is gonna be the look. What do you think? Is it pretty? I feel like it's pretty. I like it. Make sure that I don't have any other fallout on my face. And then I am going to set my face kind of, sort of. This is just like a white translucent powder. I don't use a name brand. I just use like white translucent powder to set my face. And I don't even really use that much. I still have to choose. I had fun playing with this, by the way, in case anybody wondered. It was fun. Now, I still have to do a swatch video for you guys. I don't know when I'll do that, but it will happen. I just don't know when. Let's see. Do I want to use... I think I'm going to use my Looksy one for highlight. And it's like a blue-green purple shift. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. It's gorgeous. A little bit on my nose. I'm gonna dip back into the blush and kind of freshen that up a little bit. Just using this Anastasia, and I'm using the middle shade. I don't know what shade that is. It's called Sugar. Sugar. Sugar, 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 sugar. I think I'm gonna use my Lash Princess, and I actually did my brows already today. I did it earlier using my She Glam brow pencil. I really like the brow pencil. Lipstick from Odin's Eye on. It is called Lady Camellias. Is a pretty, pretty, pretty lipstick. It says cream lip stain, so we'll see. I don't know if it's going to actually stain my lips, but this is the finished look. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really, really appreciate it. And of course, I would love it if you would subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps out my channel. And of course, please, I'm gonna have to fix that before I get off of here, but please comment down below. Do you like this look? Do you think I went too crazy? What do you think? And then also like this video, and then if you're looking for more makeup content from me, go ahead and follow me over on Instagram. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and